Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one we have number 6 e to the power of 6x. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Because we don't have number 5 and number 6 on here, so we need to divide both sides by 30. So this one we change for u. E to the power of 6x dx we change for this one. So the integration of this one, we have Fn of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.